Good morning, students. We are on a revision part. So, till now we have revised 4 chapters of science. Now, today we will revise the 5th chapter, that is solids, liquids, and gases. You know that we are preparing for the exams. So, revision part is going on. So, let's start with the 5th chapter, that is solids, liquids, and gases. Let's see what is there. We have already read this chapter. Let's go through it again. Chapter number 5, solids, liquids, and gases. So let's see what is there in this chapter. Now bete, there are many substances around us. बहुत सी substances हैं हमारे इर्द गिर्द. They have weight also. They are occupying space also. So all the substances, they occur in different forms. जो substances, हर एक substance एक ही form में नहीं अक्कर कर सकता, प्रेजेंट हो सकता नेचर में. द डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस दे अकर इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. कोई सॉलिड की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है, कोई लिक्विड की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है, कोई गैस की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है. लाइक वाटर इज अ लिक्विड, ऑयल इट इज ऑल्सो अ लिक्विड, एयर इट इज अ गैस, the pens and pencils with which you work, they occur in the solid form. So substances, they occur in different forms. So that forms are the solids, liquids, and gases. So let's come to the first form, that is solid. क्या solids क्या होते हैं? Like your pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, all these things, they have fixed shape and size. इनकी शेप भी फिक्स है, इनका साइज भी फिक्स है. सो बट दे कैन नॉट फ्लो, वो फ्लो नहीं कर सकते. एक जगह पड़े हैं तो दूसरी जगह वो जा नहीं सकते. दे कैन नॉट गो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, दे कैन नॉट फ्लो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो ऑल दैट थिंग्स दैट हैव फिक्स्ड शेप एंड साइज, दे आर कॉल्ड एज सॉलिड्स. उन चीजों को हम बोलते हैं सॉलिड्स, जिनकी शेप भी फिक्स है और साइज भी फिक्स है. एंड दे कैन नॉट फ्लो. एंड बट व्हेन वी ग्राइंड देम, जब उनको पाउडर की फॉर्म में आप बनाते हो या उनको ग्राइंड करते हो, देन दैट पाउडर कैन बी पास्ड थ्रू द होल्स ऑफ द कंटेनर. तो आप उनको पाउडर फॉर्म में एक कंटेनर से दूसरी कंटेनर में पास कर सकते हो. But as it is, they cannot flow. As pencil, it cannot flow from one container to another. But when we grind something, when we grind solids, उनको powder form में बनाते हैं, तो then they can pass through the holes of the containers. Like talcum powder, the powder that we apply on our body. Salt, that can also pass. Pepper. So sand also moves in the hourglass. So solids, they have fixed shape and size. They cannot flow from one container to the another container. But when they are ground in the powder form, then they can pass through the holes of the container. So this is all about solids. Now next come to the liquid part. There are some things like oil, tea, coffee, water, milk. They can flow from one container to another. हम एक गिलास से दूसरे गिलास में जैसे मिल्क को डाल सकते हैं. They take the shape of the container in which we pour them. जिस भी कंटेनर में आप उनको डालते हो वो उसी कंटेनर की शेप ले लेते हैं. So that things are called liquids. उन्हें हम बोलते हैं liquids. So what is the difference between solids? Solids, they have fixed shape. Liquids, they do not have fixed shape. But liquids, they take the shape of the container and they can flow from one container to another container. Now the third one is gases. Now what are gases? Gases, the things that do not have fixed shape and fixed size, that are called as gases. ना उनकी fixed shape है, ना उनकी fixed size है. Like water vapor, it is also a gas. When we boil water, it changes into water vapor. That is the gaseous form of water. Gases, they cannot be seen. We cannot see gases. They are all around us. हमारे इर्द गिर्द हैं, but we cannot see them. But we can feel the gases. Air that we are inhaling, that we are taking in, it is also a mixture of gases. There are many gases that are present in the air. Air, it moves from one place to another. So gases, they can flow from one place to another. They are also called fluids. उन्हें fluids भी बोलते हैं. We breathe in air that is rich in oxygen. Oxygen एक गैस है जो एयर में प्रेजेंट है, जो हम लेते हैं. All living things, they need oxygen that is present in the air. So like liquids, gases can also flow. जैसे liquids flow कर सकते हैं. Like water is a liquid, it can flow from one place to another. एक रिवर से वो दूसरी जगह फ्लो करके जा सकता है. The same way gases, they can also flow. In air, in the environment, gases, they are flowing. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो घूम रही हैं. They are flowing. So both liquids and gases, they are called as fluids. दोनों को fluids बोलते हैं. Why they are called fluids? Because they can flow from one place through another. So this is the main difference between all three states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Now our next topic is a change of form. Now these forms, solids, liquids and gases, they can change from one form to another. Solid can change into liquid, liquid can change into gas, gas can change into liquid and liquid can again change into solid. So that is called change of form. Example they have given, suppose we have ice. We have taken ice from the refrigerator or freezer, निकाली ice बाहर. Ice is made from water. Water freezes to form ice. Water से ice बनी. Ice melts to form water. Water boils to form water vapor. Then water vapor, they cools or they cool to form water. Water again cool to form ice. This is called change of form. Water क्या है? Liquid form. It can flow from one place to another. Ice, it is a solid form. It has fixed shape and size. Water, it is also liquid form. Water vapor, gaseous form, gas है. Water, liquid. Ice is a solid. What liquid is changing into solid? Solid into liquid, liquid into gas, gas into liquid and again liquid into solid. This is called change of form. One form is changing into another form. Solid से liquid बन रहा है, liquid से gas, gas से liquid and liquid से again solid. The same thing is written over here. Now what they have told over here, steam rises up to form. Now when you take out ice from freezer, then it melts to form liquid. आप liquid को, water को heat करोगे. After some time it starts boiling. Boil होना शुरू हो जाएगा. Boiling के बाद क्या बनेगा? Water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. So these are the processes that change one form to another. First process is evaporation. Next comes your condensation. Now these water vapors, आपने पैन में पानी डाला, उसको हीट किया, बॉईल किया, उससे वाटर वेपर बन गए. योर वाटर इज कवर्ड, आपने लिड से कवर किया हुआ है. जब आप देखोगे वाटर वेपर्स वो बने होंगे लिड के ऊपर. व्हेन यू रिमूव दैट लिड फ्रॉम द पैन एंड कीप इट एट रूम टेम्परेचर, व्हाट यू विल सी कि आफ्टर सम टाइम द वाटर वेपर्स दे विल स्टार्ट चेंजिंग इनटू वाटर. वो वाटर वेपर वाटर में चेंज होने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज लिड का पहले टेम्परेचर ज्यादा था. जब आप उसको रूम टेम्परेचर पे लेकर आओगे तो वो टेम्परेचर लो हो जाएगा. लो की वजह से वो जो वेपर्स हैं वो वाटर में चेंज होने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. व्हाट इज कंडेंसेशन? द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग ऑफ वाटर वेपर into water on cooling is called condensation. So this is the second process that shows change of form. Evaporation and condensation. So there are three forms of water: solid, liquid and gas, and these three forms they can change from one form to another. So two processes main. First there are four processes that takes place during the change of form. First is evaporation. Change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Change of water vapor into liquid on cooling is called condensation. What are the spellings of condensation? Let me tell you. So beta, these are the important processes that you should know. Condensation, evaporation and condensation.